So hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to explain you about the experiment on the BJT characteristic trainer, that is NPN or PNP apparatus, so with regulated power supplies. So in this experiment we can perform both the bipolar junction transistor, that is NPN or PNPN. So here is the connections for NPN transistor and this is for PNP transistor. So first you should know the circuit diagram for these two transistor, NPN or PNPN. Then you can connect according to the circuit diagram using the patch cords. So first let us do the connection for PNP transistor. Here you can observe the two voltmeters are there and two emitters are there. So the voltmeter that acts as emitter base voltage, so VEB we call, and this acts as the collector emitter voltage, so VCE, and this one is for the base current and this is for collector current. So here we have two emitters and two voltmeters. So we have to connect according to the diagram here. This is for NPN transistor. So according to the diagram we can make the connections here. Are the power supplies of this is for 0 to 1 volt range for the VEB voltage across the emitter and base junction, and this is for the voltage across the collector and emitter junction. So this is about 0 to 10 volt range. First we can make the connection. First we can make the connections for VEB and VCE. So we have to connect these two positive terminals to the positive and negative terminal of the voltmeter, and here this is for VCE connection. To connect the positive terminal of the power supply to the positive terminal of the VEB and negative terminal to the negative terminal of the VEB. So here I have marked the VEB. Okay. Side we have to connect the positive terminal to the positive terminal of this voltmeter, that is for VCE voltage across collector and emitter. Okay. How to connect here VEB positive to the positive of the IB, that is base current. So here we have to connect the positive of this VEB to the positive of the IB. Next we have to connect the negative of this VEB to the negative of the emitter. So this is PNP transistor, so negative of the emitter should be connected to the VEB negative according to the given diagram. So next we have to connect the negative of the VCE to the emitter. So negative of PNP to the negative of the emitter. Then positive of the VCE to the positive of the collector current. So this is the positive of the VCE to the positive of the IC, collector current. So next we have to connect IB to the base. So here I am connecting IB to the VEB Okay, next we have to connect this IB terminal to the base according to the diagram. So I have connected IB to the base and one of the terminal of the IB to the VEB. So next we have to go for the connection for collector current. So one terminal, that is positive terminal of the IC to the positive terminal of VCE. Then we have to connect the negative terminal of the I collector current to the common or the collector. Okay, so here is the connection for collector current to the collector of the NPN transistor. So we have made all the connections, and here you can observe there are two readings for the ammeter for the base current, milliammeter and microammeter range. So let us switch on the device. So here if you vary the voltage across the VEB, that is having the range of 1 volt, 0 to 1 volt. So if it is in the increasing order, you can observe. I am going to vary slowly. VEB, that is voltage across the ammeter and base. So the current, you can observe here, the base current is going to change. This is in terms of milliampere right now. So 1 milliampere for the voltage of 0.6 volt. If I will increase the voltage, so you can observe the change in the base current. So if you keep it in the microammeter range, you can clearly observe the digits. Then this is for the VEB and the base current. Here if I will vary the voltage across the common or the collector and emitter junction, so it is right now, here is the range 0 to 10 volt. So it is around 2 to 3 volt. It is 3 volt, and the corresponding current in the collector current, that is 4.9 ampere. So as we are going to increase the voltage across VCE, there is a rise in current in this collector current. So you can see these all are working, that means this connection is made properly. So like that you can note down the value of VEB, base current, collector current and VCE. Then you can use for the required calculation. So like that you can make the connection for NPN transistor also. Okay.